Hello friends and welcome back to the Radiators channel. So friends, today I will talk about SilverStone Crown for HTPC Enclosure. So friends, SilverStone has listed the Crown for a new home theater PC HTPC Enclosure built with all steel construction and brushed aluminum finish, 3 mm thick front aluminum panel and 2 mm thick top aluminum panel, and the Crown for follow the 5U rack mount standard and dimension, measuring 440 mm in width, 239 mm in height and 458 mm in depth, and the size make it compatible with larger graphics card including RTX 50 series, and the provide room for future GPU generations, and the enclosure support motherboard from ATX to SSI-EEB form factor and offer 8 PCI expansion slot, allowing user to build powerful system with high-end components, and the Crown 4 gives user plenty of room for storage as it can fit two 3.5-inch hard drive and three 2.5-inch SSD inside. For cooling, Silverstone include 3 into 120 mm fans, while additional fans can be added, one into 120 mm and 140 mm at the rear, and 3 into 120 mm on the top, and 3 into 120 and 140 mm on the side, and radiator up to 360 mm can be placed on top and side of the enclosure. So friend, the front panel that reveal one USB Type-C port, for USB 3.0 port and audio combo jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.